It's time for another Sunday shout out and mail call episode, and we've got 11 packages this time. Hey everyone, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and once again we've got a Sunday shout out and mail call episode. You'll notice I crossed off most of the addresses, but a couple I've left on them because Lakehouse Beach publishes that P.O. box so you could send him some goodies on his channel. And of course, Larry Priest with Mobile Coins gave me the authorization to leave his business address up here as well. As always, if I have channel information for anyone who sent me a package this week, I'll be posting it in the video description down below, as well as leaving it in my first pinned comment so that you can do me the favor of clicking on their links, subscribing to their channel, checking out their content, and staying a subscriber if you like what you see. So let's go ahead and kick this off once again with Larry Priest at Mobile Coins. Dear Rob, hello my friend, I hope you are well. So I heard that you run a retirement center for old star notes, much like I run a rescue center for homeless wheat cents. Well, I have a star note for you to put out to pasture. Don't forget to check the rarity. If you find any wheat cents that are homeless, send them my way. And if you haven't seen my Lincoln wheat cent rescue video, it is episode 18. Take care of George. He has had a long, hard life. Your friend, Larry Priest, Larry the Legend, Mobile Coins. So Larry, thank you very much for this star note. I did check this 2013 G-Series star note. You are right, it's pretty rare. Only a 500,000 print run. The standard print run's about 3.2 million, so it's right up about midpoint, a little past midpoint of the rarity scale. We'll get him a home. Larry, always appreciate the good letters, the humor, and the star notes. Now let's move on to iSuckBud. Dear Rob, I have meant to send you mail for a long time now. I think your channel is very entertaining and I love to watch new uploads every day. Here I have 2 bicentennial quarters, 1 1942 wheat penny, 1 buffalo nickel, I don't know the date, 1 1945 shell case cent, 1 1979 dollar coin, 1 very shiny 1965 Lincoln cent, 1 clump of metal, I think it might be silver. Thank you for all that you do. Sincerely, iSuckBud. P.S. Could you maybe see if that clump of metal is silver? We've got a couple of bicentennial quarters. I've already checked them under the microscope for the DDO. They are not, but still really cool. I do collect them. Here's that Susan B. Anthony 79 gold-plated dollar. I have a 1980, so it's really cool that you gave me a 79 because now I have one of both of the ones that they produced. A 1965 really shiny penny. We've also got a 1942 Philadelphia wheat cent, a 1945 S wheat cent, and you said you couldn't find the date on this buffalo. I looked at it, and under the right lighting conditions, you can see it right there. It's a 1918 for sure, Denver. And then you asked me to see if this is silver. I'm going to have to get this tested to see if it's silver. I do agree with you though. It definitely has that silver weight, and it definitely has that silver look. I don't know what percentage of silver, if it is silver, it is. That would have to be waiting to A, validate that it is silver, and then figure out if the composition of this clump is 999 fine, or if someone melted a 90% constitutional silver coin, or a couple of them. But let's get a weight on it. Feels like it's about 8 grams, 7.12 grams. So for the size and weight and the look, it could be silver. I'll find out about it, and I'll try to remember to include it in a future episode. iSuckBud, thanks for the letter. Thanks for the package. Cool coins. Cool clump of metal. Could be silver. Now let's move on to Lakehouse Beach. Dear RFT, I wanted to show my appreciation for watching and supporting my channel. While watching Dime Time, I noticed I had something you needed. A 1949 S. I do need that for my dime collection. I'll show you guys a picture of it in my book here in a second. The bill contained in this letter was in my crazy serial number video. It's toasty, but man, it's a cool number. Thanks for your continued support, your friend Lakehouse Beach. Wow. And guys, take a look at this serial number. It is pretty cool. It is a trinary, and it's almost a radar. But that is a really cool serial number. We'll be adding it to my collection for sure, Lakehouse Beach. Man, your channel continues to grow. I think he's almost at 350 subs. You guys know the drill. Support him if you can. Let me get this down in my book and show you what it looks like. 1949S in the book. Only 13.5 million minted. We have now got that slot filled thanks to Lakehouse Beach. Thanks again, Lakehouse Beach. Love your channel. Thanks for the support, brother. Awesome stuff. Now let's move on to Trent Stewart. Trent Stewart writes, Dear Rob Finds Treasure. Rob, I love to watch you coin roll hunt and bill hunt. I love to do it myself, and I love it. I would like to know more about the 1909 VDB wheat cent. I've been coin roll hunting for about 2 years now. The oldest coin I have found coin roll hunting is a 1917 D wheat cent, and the oldest coin I have is an 1892 Indian head penny. I hope you make more videos so I can subscribe alike. I do not have a coin hunting channel yet, but I am still leaning towards it. Well, Rob, I left a couple of coins in the note. If you do not like them, just send them back. If you don't mind to write me back with your autograph, that would be awesome. Sincerely, Trent Stewart. Trent, I can definitely write you back and send you a personal note. I don't think I'm not going to like these coins. There's not a coin I don't like, just so you know. Let's see what he gave us today. Trent Stewart sent us a dime. Looks like it might be silver. It is 1946 Philadelphia. I do have that for my collection, but I always take 90% silver dimes. Looks like we've got an older nickel, 1941 San Francisco. Definitely collectible. I'll be holding on to that. And a wheat penny. It is a 1945 Denver. Yep. Trent, I love these coins very much. Definitely going to add it in my collection. I'll definitely send you a note. Thanks for the message, Trent. Thanks for the coins. I'll be sure to send you a personalized letter back to you. Now let's move on to VDB Coin Roll King. He actually sent me 2 different packages, so I'll be opening them together and we'll take a look at what's inside. Okay guys, the reason why we have 2 packages from VDB Coin Roll King is on one of his giveaway videos I commented, and here's what he wrote. Hey Rob Finds Treasure, it's VDB Coin Roll King. I realized today that you are one of 3 people who first commented on my free coin giveaway video. Thank you for subscribing. There's a nickel in here like I promised. Hope you like it. Keep up the good work. Sincerely, VDB Coin Roll King. And so on his free giveaway video, I won a 1955 D nickel. Really cool. Thanks again, VDB Coin Roll King. I have no problem subscribing, watching your videos. You guys should check them out as well. The other package, I'm going to read what he wrote, but I'm not going to show the coins on camera, and I'll tell you why in a second. Hi, Rob Finds Treasure. My YouTube name is VDB Coin Roll King. I love your videos, especially your coin roll hunting videos. By the way, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm trying hard to get to subscribers. Please shout me out. That's what I'm doing right now. In this package, I've included some coins I was hoping we could trade. Check the back. And I just want to make sure I say this out loud to everyone, and I'm not trying to be tough here, and I really appreciate the package, VDB Coin Roll King, but any trades that I do, I want to make sure we email ahead of time. My email is always down below in the video description, only because when you send a package, if something gets lost, or if I don't need or want to do the trade, then technically I have to now pay the shipping to send it back to you and risk the chance of it getting lost again. That being said, shoot me an email, VDB Coin Roll King. Let's talk about the trade you put out there, and we'll see if I can do it. That being said, VDB Coin Roll King, I really appreciate the request. Just make sure that you send me an email, use the address down below, and let's discuss the trade. All right, guys, now let's move on to Dustin's treasure hunting adventures. Love the YouTube channel, always watching your videos while coin roll hunting, trying to get to 50 subs. All right, we can help him out, guys. Please check out his channel. Also, check out my rare coin video and others I like to keep them for. Found a 1935 Un Centesimo coin, only 200,000 minted. Best find by far so far. I do dimes, nickels, halves, and pennies. Anyway, keep the coins or put them in a giveaway, up to you. Please show a link for my YouTube channel, LOL. We'll definitely do that. It'll be down below. Dustin's treasure hunting adventures. P.S. Hope you're enjoying the weather like me here in Arizona. Yeah, today's actually a really nice day. Let's see what we got. First thing Dustin sent us was a nice looking 1958 wheatback penny. Beautiful. We also got one Deutschmark, 1989. Love it. Looks like we got a pence coin here. Yep. 5 pence, 2008. We got a Buffalo nickel. I might be able to get a date off that, but I don't see one yet, and it's out of Philadelphia. So really cool. Thanks for the Buffalo nickel. So we got a couple of oldies here. A 1968 10 Pfennig. And I think we have another 10 Pfennig right here as well. 1977. And look at this. 1892 5 Pfennig. Holy cow. Man, that's beautiful. I do not have this coin whatsoever. That is awesome. Dustin, I really appreciate you sending me this package. I appreciate the kind words. Thank you once again, and we'll check out your channel for sure. Next up, guys, is Joseph Wright. All right, guys, Joseph Wright writes, greetings. Here's a few tidbits for your coin hunting wishing well. Do with you as you will. Love your content. May life treat you well and keep you in AU condition, Joseph. P.S. I don't have a channel, so no need for a channel shout out. Joseph, thank you very much for the personalized letter. Look at what he sent me, guys. Joseph Wright sent a 1943 S steel cent penny. Really cool. And then look at this bad boy. Estados Unidos Mexicanos. 1 centavo, 1948. What a beauty. I definitely don't have this one. I'll be adding it to my collection for sure. And I really appreciate the letter, Joseph. Happy hunting to you as well. Thanks for watching. And thanks for the kind words. Now let's move on to ThinBlueDiggers. All right, guys. Nick Norman from ThinBlueDiggers 5.0 writes, hi, Rob. I really enjoy your channel and wanted to sponsor one of your giveaways on your live stream. So I sent you a 1-ounce Buffalo copper round to give away. Sweet. I'm also sending you a 59D because I know how much you love those. I do. Also a 69S to look at and keep. And also a cool foreign coin for your collection. Keep the videos coming and God bless. Nick Norman, ThinBlueDiggers 5.0, man. Thank you very much. Check this out, guys. Some cool stuff here. Here's the 1-ounce Buffalo copper round. We'll be using that on my next giveaway. That is sweet. He also sent me a cool foreign coin. Looks like it's a 10 penny from Finland. It is 1993. I don't have one of those, so that's very cool. A 59D. You know I like looking at these as well as collecting them and taking a look for the 1959D repunch mint mark. It isn't. I already checked it out. And then a 69S, because I don't see very many of these. Probably 1 or 2 a box at the most. So I definitely collect them, and it's in pretty good shape. Obviously, it's not the DDO, but still fun. ThinBlueDiggers 5.0, man. Appreciate the letter. Appreciate the giveaway coin. Man, that's awesome. I'll be sure to shout you out in the video or the live stream when I give that away. Next up, guys, is Fisher Johnson. Hey, Rob, here is a Merc dime, a Buffalo nickel, and a V nickel. Like I said, big fan. I really hope that the coins don't get lost in the mail. Hopefully, I will next be able to send you some old wheats from Fisher. Awesome. Let's take a look at this Merc dime. Great detail. 1944, Philadelphia. We've got detail on the columns. That's a beautiful Merc dime. Wow. Thank you very much, Fisher. We've also got a 1936 Buffalo nickel. Legible date. And a mint mark. S mint mark. Sweet. Beautiful Buffalo nickel. Wow, Fisher. And look at this V nickel. I don't find too many of these, and I can't get them too often, but man, 1900 V nickel. Solid detail, not worn slick, beautiful coin. Fisher, thank you very much for the coins. I'm not sure if you have a YouTube channel. If you do, I'll put it down below. But to any extent, man, thanks for being a fan. Thanks for sending me some cool stuff. Thanks for the kind letter. Wow. All right, guys. Finally up is the Real 300 ZX Man. He wrote on here, Dear Rob, what's up, buddy? Here's your Ike dollar you won on my giveaway. I threw some extras in, and I'm sorry for the tape job, but I want to make sure you get them, LOL. Thanks for the awesome channel content you put out. Hashtag Rob for Prez. P.S. I put an extra Ike in for whatever giveaway you choose. Just send me a shout out. Thanks, the Real 300 ZX Man. So here's the Ike dollar he sent for the giveaway that I can use in the future giveaways. That's awesome. He also sent me a couple of Ike dollars for my personal collection. One I won, and then one he wanted to give me. Thank you very much. He also included a beautiful 59 AU type Lincoln cent, a 1970S, a 1972S, and a few other goodies, an 88D, a 99D, a 68S, and an 86D, as well as a Mint State 2016 D nickel. So a bunch of cool coins. The Real 300ZX, man, thank you for the package. Thanks for the giveaway gift. We'll include it with that copper round and some other goodies I've gotten from other viewers. Definitely going to have a fun giveaway next stream. I hope we can get you to 300. It'd be awesome when you do. Shoot me an email when you get there. It'd be awesome. And thanks for the kind words in your letter. Well, there you have it, everyone. There's another Sunday shout out and mail call episode. A bunch of goodies from a bunch of awesome subscribers. Sharing the love, sharing the generosity, stuff for giveaways, stuff for my collection. So cool. Hopefully you enjoyed this week's Sunday shout out and mail call episode. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.